Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Verma and I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and right now I'm staying in Noida. I completed my bachelor's B.C.A from Babu Banarasi Das University in 2023. After that I joined the full day job internship at Evision Technoserve. Evision is a well-known company that gives IT training and helps the job placements. During the training, I learned many useful topics like computer networking, Windows and Linux server, VMware virtualization, cyber security, and ITIL process. And where I learned about some soft skills like interview preparation. We did practical labs also that showed how real IT system work in companies. These helped me a lot to understand things better. The trainer at Evision was very helpful. They supported me and clear all of my doubts. I also improved my technical and communication skills with Evision TechnoServe, and at that time I can now install and manage Windows and Linux systems, work with network devices, solve basic computer and network problems, follow proper IT process using ITIL. I want to thank Mr. Ganesh sir and Priya ma'am and Neha ma'am and Sati Sudhakar ma'am for helping me throughout my training and placement. I came to know about Evision from a friend who also got a job through them. With Evision help, I got selected as a service desk engineer at InKnowTech. I am hardworking, ready to learn, and always been open to new challenges. I am happy to start my career in IT with this great support. Thank you, Vision Technosir, for helping me build my future. Thank you, sir.